Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this Baseus co-partner with Bose earphone. Yes, that's correct. So again, I have another product from Baseus, my absolute favorite brand. And as you know, in this channel we have reviewed quite a few different products from Baseus. And I have received this one again to review, and this is pretty a cool one. So it comes with a co-partnership between these two brands. So Bose, as you know, this is quite a famous brand and it's quite sound, and Baseus on the other side is also a growing brand. They have absolutely nice quality products. And this is open ear earbuds, and we have reviewed quite a few different one of those, and this one by far should be better than all those that we have had. So I'm absolutely curious how this looks like and how it sounds. So it has Dolby audio, it has super bass actually 3.0, and super balance 3.0, and 40 hours of battery. Now let's have a look at here. Baseus adaptive tuning technology, balanced true to live sound, 10-minute rapid charge, 2.5-hour playtime. Not bad. IP66, and it's actually for sweat is absolutely fine, splash and water resistance. This is really cool actually. And here, sound like never before. Yeah, that's a very cool one. So 4 microphones, sound engine they have got, and air cushion, which is actually interesting. So I didn't know that these ones, they also have that sort of technology. Now, even the box looks like a kind of co-branded. So you can see some, let's say, some style from Baseus, and you can see on the other side as well some Bose actually design. So let's open it up. I'm very curious how this thing looks like. This one and the other one as well. So there we go. So it looks like this. Pretty cool actually. So let's open this as well. Oops. Wow, looks pretty nice. So you can see actually here is written sound by Bose, and this is the Baseus logo, as you can see here as well. Really nice and feels quite nice in hand. And when you open it, there we go. This is how it looks like. Pretty nice, really cool actually, really cool. And yeah, this is also the other side, and you have the light as well, just like the other brands. And let's connect it to the phone and check it out. So like this is my phone, so now I would just connect it to Bluetooth. Let's see how we can do that. So here we have got some more accessories as well. So we need to pull this out. This is pretty cool design as well. Let's see what we have got here. Probably the cable. That's it. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Pretty cool. And this is our quick start. Let's have a look. So powering on and off. Open the charging case. The earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. Sounds good. So now I'll just open this. There we go. Now I go to my phone, and that is absolutely correct. So Baseus Inspire XC1, I see it already. I connect to it. Now it's connected, as easy as that. Now let's connect this to the ears. So usually they have some sort of plastic which you have to remove, but in this case we do not have that. So it looks like this. We can just directly use it. I will connect both of them to my ears, and I can just say that the bass of this earphone is by far better than everything else we have had. Sound is amazing. Alright, now I try it with the microphone. So the sound is quite spatial actually. It's like really you are in a concert. It's completely different from the other headphone that we have reviewed before. I would give this 10 out of 10 definitely. Is light, is amazing, it has a nice bass, and the main difference with the other earphones that we have had from Baseus is actually this one has more bass. So the other ones were great as well, but this one by far is more natural than the other ones that we have had. It's amazing. 10 out of 10, definitely recommended. By the way, I'm not paid by them to review this. I have just received the product to review. So if you have any questions, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.